Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase this new currency item on Dress to Impress. Now to do that, you are just going to go to this icon here and then go to this place, and there's this Kissy Lips bodysuit, probably inspired by Sabrina Carpenter, so I'm just going to purchase and select confirm. And that is how you can get the new currency Dress to Impress, I think Sabrina Carpenter inspired outfit. Let me just put it on and I'll show it to you guys. Let me just take everything else off except for the shoes. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this so much. And I feel like there's some toggles on it. 1, 2, 3. And you can like remove the kiss if you'd like. I don't know what the difference is between that, but that is it. That's where you can get the new Sabrina Carpenter outfit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.